Hi guys, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 22 to the 26th of June 2020. On Monday, Phumelele makes it clear how she really feels about Fenyang. Thokozani seems to have a crush on Tuesday. Samson is summoned and he faces a serious accusations. Phumelele tells her children the truth about her divorce and Zungu worry about the new leadership in the chieftaincy. On Wednesday, an unlikely partnership emerges to protect Ntwentle and keep her safe. Ntwentle and Jabu make a narrow escape. On Thursday, Jabu and Ntwentle are safe and finally together for the first time in Protea. Thokozani asks Kapela for some help fueling her crush. On Friday, Phumelele has a change of heart, but it might be already late as Iris finally looks like she'll get what she wants, of which it's Fenyang. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Bye.